Today, we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, a device that is making waves in the market. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold features a sleek aluminum frame. When folded, it is compact and portable, but when unfolded, it becomes expansive and immersive. Available in Mystic Black and Mystic Silver, the main display is a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X with a resolution of 2208 by 1768 pixels. It offers a 120 Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+ for better contrast and color accuracy. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and Adreno 660 GPU, the Galaxy Z Fold comes with 12 GB of RAM. Storage options include 256 GB and 512 GB expandable. The rear triple camera setup includes a 12MP wide-angle with optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 4MP under-display front camera. The cover display features a 10MP camera. It supports 4K video recording and night mode. The 4400 mAh battery supports 25W wired fast charging, 11W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. With 5G support, NFC, and a USB Type-C port, the Galaxy Z Fold keeps you connected. It also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and secure face recognition. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and share. And do not forget to subscribe for more updates.